In this video, we will know about what is plantar fasciitis and its different exercises. Plantar fasciitis is one of the most common cause of heel pain. It causes inflammation of the thick band of tissue called plantar fascia. It runs across bottom of each foot and connect heel bone to the toes. It causes stabbing pain that usually occurs with your first step in the morning, but as you get up and move, the pain normally decreases. It is common in runners and people who are overweight. It is also common in occupations that keeps you on your feet for hours, for example factory workers and teachers. It's also occurring in people who have flat feet or high arch. It even causes atypical walking pattern. It results in chronic heel pain that affects your regular activities. So try these exercises at home to strengthen your leg muscles, to stretch your plantar fascia, and to help stabilize your walk. First exercise is towel stretch. This is called towel stretch. Sit with involved leg straight out in front of you. Place a towel around your foot and gently pull it up. Feel the stretch in your calf muscle. Hold for 45 seconds and then lower to the starting position. Repeat 5 times, 3 times a day. It is effective at reducing morning pains if done it before getting out of bed. This is called toe towel scrunches. Sit upright in a chair with your feet resting on a towel. Now spread your toes. Curl your toes to scrunch and draw the towel towards you. Repeat this exercise 10 times, 3 times a day. It is an excellent exercise for your foot strengthening, and it's also improve your foot flexibility. This is ice massage arc roll. Sit on a chair with one foot resting on frozen water bottle. Gently roll the water bottle forward and backward under your foot. Roll the bottle back and forth slowly 10 times for each foot. Do this exercise twice daily. A frozen water bottle is useful as it reduces the inflammation. This is called calf stretch. Stand upright, facing a wall at arm's length, and place your hand flat on the wall. Keeping both feet flat on the floor, extend one leg straight backward while bending your front leg. Now feel the stretch in your calf muscle. Feel the stretch in the calf muscle of your back leg. Hold for 20 seconds. Now return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite leg. It improves the flexibility of your calf muscles. This is called heel raise. Stand with your feet slightly apart, hands resting on the chair in front of you. Slowly raise your heel off the floor while keeping your knees straight. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Then slowly lower your heels to the floor. Now repeat. It stretches your calf muscles and improves the flexibility of your plantar fascia. For more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel.